Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, we have seen how to print alphabets A to Z and how to print any number numeric table. So today we'll be seeing how to use for loops with if-else conditional control statements. Okay, now let me create a new Python file called as for loops 1. Okay. So I have a new Python file called as for loops 1. So I want to print one, two, three, four, five. Yeah. So I want to print letter I like this using for and if condition. So for if you don't know about for and if condition, how will you print? You'll use the print function followed by star into 5. So we'll print like this if we don't know about for loops and if conditions. Like all normal guy who doesn't know anything about for and if conditions, he will print like this. So similarly, if the person has knowledge about for and if conditions control statements, how will that guy print? So he'll use the for loop for x in range of 6 colon if x equals to 0 or x. We are checking the condition, guys. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 5 colon print star double quote star into 5, else print double quote space 5 space star. Okay, so let me run this program and show you now. You can see it is printing in the same way as we have printed above, like this, using 5 print statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have printed the same line using the for and if condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines of code. We have printed the same thing. For example, if I want to change a particular the symbol from star to plus, I just need to change it in 2 places here. Whereas if I use the print statements, I need to change it in all the print statements. That is 6 places I need to change. Whereas only in 2 places, if I change, it's okay here. So if I don't want to print like this, I can just print x here. Now let me run this and show you. So here it is multiplying this particular x into 5 and printing. It is taking x as integer and printing it. So we need to convert this x into string and then run the program. Then you can see it is printing 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay. Similarly, you can use any other symbol also, guys. That doesn't matter. With a string, you can also put I here so that you can understand it in a better way and run the program. You can see it is printing in I format with letter I here. Okay, guys. Similarly, I'll show you for the letter L. Now let me comment this. For, so first let me show you the pattern. Okay, this is the pattern we need to print using for and if condition control statements, if else conditional control statements. Okay, now let me show you. For x in range of 6 colon if x equals to double equals to 6, print star into 5, else print star. Now let me run this and show you. Oh, we need to give 5 here, guys. I mistakenly gave 6 there. So you can see it is printing in the same pattern whichever we want here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 single stars and the last one with 5 stars. Okay, hope you have understood. Similarly, I also have another alphabet just to make you practice. I have the letter P here now. For letter P, we will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter 1 space 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 star. Enter star space 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 star. Enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines of code. I'm commenting this and I'll show you the program now. For x in range of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have taken 7 lines, so range of 8 followed by a colon. If x equals to 0 or x equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Third line. Okay, 3. Print star double quote star into 5. Elif. So we are using we'll be using elif, guys, because we have to write 3 different conditions. That is, the first condition is this one, second condition is with 2 stars, then this is again the same condition which is repeated, then this is the other third condition. Okay, elif x equals to 1 or x equals to 2 colon print star space 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 star. Then followed by a else statement. Else print double quotes star. Okay, guys. Now let me print this and let me run this program and show you. You can see it is in the same pattern which we have written here, but we got one extra star in the line because we took 8. Okay. So you can see it is in the same pattern. Similarly, we can also do for B here. That is, for B, we need to write another OR. X equals to 4, 5, 6, 7. And let me run this program now. So we did not do it in a proper way. So we need to write else here. and remove these two conditions. This is of no use, and remove this. If we do this and run, you can see we'll get the letter B, but it is not in the proper way. We need to adjust that thing. So I'm changing this range to 7 and changing this to 6 and running this program again. You can see it is in the 8 format or B format, whatever we can call. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys, how to use if and if else conditions with for loops, and how we can print different alphabets with the help of that. So if you have understood, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.